दोस्तों नमस्कार। तिलहन, दलहन, मसाला, कपास, गवार सीड, सोना चांदी, मेटल, इन सभी के भाव निशुल्क एक वेबसाइट पर उपलब्ध हैं। खाद्य तेलों में सोयाबीन, सरसों, पाम ऑयल के भाव एवं रिसर्च रिपोर्ट्स एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म पे उपलब्ध है, तुषार ग्लोबल सर्विसेज.com। बिल्कुल देखना ना मिस कीजिए। यदि आप व्यापारी हैं, मंडी के कमीशन एजेंट हैं या फिर हैं किसान, इन सभी के लिए निशुल्क विशेष भाव एवं रिसर्च रिपोर्ट के लिए विजिट करिए तुषार ग्लोबल सर्विसेज.com।
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं तुषार जैन, CFO and Research Head, Ajay Astro Money Guru. Good morning everybody. I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of Ajay Astro Money Guru and Tushar Global Services. Welcome all of you today on 30th September 2022. In this episode, we will discuss about Indian stock markets and what all things you need to consider for next few trading days. So, if we see the global markets, yesterday also the US markets have shown significant uh, profit booking. If you remember in our yesterday's episode also, I have put my view and strongly put my view that uh, uh, you should not go for long for the short term perspective, as the markets still have a volatility and some pressure therefore. And if we see the yesterday's session, the nifty, bank nifty both gap up, both opened in the gap up. And day before yesterday, the US markets also were showing good return. But in the second half of the yesterday session, the nifty, bank nifty have lost all their gain and in fact closed in the red sign. So I hope you like that analysis. And in the yesterday, from last 1 week, I am strongly recommending you, if you are holding a big position in the cash market, you should go for hedging by buying bank nifty put option. And I hoped this must have uh, protect your losses, and in fact in some cases it it had uh, gained some more profits also. So I hope you like that analysis. Now we will discuss about Indian stock markets. And in if we see the Indian stock market as of now, the both nifty and bank nifty are showing again a profit booking. As we can see, although they opened much lower, and some profit, some recovery has been seen in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, but still the pressure is going on. And if we see the Bank Nifty, it is down by around 100 points, and Nifty is down by around 30 to 40 points as of now. And the most important thing is the bank nifty has already already crossed the low of 22nd August and trading below it. And if we see its moving averages also, it is below its 100 days exponential moving average, which is at the level of 37,641, which you can see in the blacks. This black line is the 100 days exponential moving average. Now comes the 200 days exponential moving average, which is at the level of 36,816, which is which is quite uh, low as of now. But still, if we compare it with the other international indices, especially US indices, then we can see that still the sell off is going on in the international markets and especially global markets. And still, if we see the Nasdaq, they have not been crossed the level of around 17 June, which we were talking in and discussing in the yesterday's session. Similarly, things have been seen in S&P 500 also, although in the yesterday's session it had gone below. But if we see the close to close basis, then it exactly closed at its lows of 16th or 17th June. So a very uh, the global markets are under a very decisive uh, note. And both ways, both directions, in both the directions, the market can go in next few trading days. So it is better to keep your trades low and go for, instead go for investing and that will be better for the less risky traders. And if we see now the this Indian stock market, then we can see that the Bank Nifty and Nifty has recovered all its losses, and now they are trading almost flat, and they are trading flat. And uh, if we see the indices futures also of the international market, then we can see that the Dow Jones is down by around 0.34%. And if we see the Asian markets are also showing some pressure. Therefore, it is advised to not to go for fresh long positions again. We meet for the short term perspective, but you can go for uh, buying for the investment purpose. You can consider that HDFC Bank, which we are discussing from last few days. And also you can consider Steel Authority of India, which we have discussed yesterday also. And today Steel Authority of India is up by around 0.81%. And also you can consider Tata Motors. For medium and long term perspective, you can consider these stock. Don't go for short term trade, especially for the especially for the buying in the short term. You can hedge your positions by buying the Bank Nifty put, so that the losses which you are occurring in your cash market stocks can be recovered. So that this was the analysis for the Indian stock market. I hope you liked our analysis. Also, you can go through our standard disclaimer also, that all these information and research given to you are purely for educational and research purposes. We do not hold any liability of your profits or loss. And if you go through any trade, then you should consult your personal financial advisor and your personal wisdom, and we will not be responsible for any of your profits and losses. So that's all for the today's episode. I hope you liked our analysis. Thank you and good day.